Hello, Sonia Sarkali here, and today I am going to talk about the goddess Yemanja. She is an Afro-Brazilian goddess, Afro-American goddess, and her origins comes from Africa. She was worshipped as a river in Nigeria, Ghana, all this area of Africa. What happened with the unfortunate event of the slavery, she traveled together with the slaves to America. So she was given hope, she was given nurturing love to these slaves. The slaves, they were simulating, they were defeating to the Spanish and the Portuguese that they were worshipping the Virgin Mary, but they were worshipping Yemanja. So she becomes the goddess that she is now in America, specifically in Brazil, Cuba, Haiti, and Louisiana. Brazil. Brazil is the area I know. I was more or less initiated in the candomblé, in the African tradition. So I have Yemanja as one of my mother goddesses that is managing my head, and she is a goddess that she is very mothering, very nurturing. I have to say that in her origins in Africa, she was worshipped as a fertility goddess. And now, in Brazil, we worship her as the mother, nurturing, kindness. We can ask her for abundance, prosperity, and she becomes, as I said, the mother of all Brazilians and all Americans. And she is now represented as a mermaid. With her name, it will be Janaína. She represented as white goddess because she, with the spiritualist church, the movement of the spiritualist church at the beginning of the last century in America and Brazil, there were more people interested in her, not just the Afro-Brazilian communities. And now there has been a revival, and most of the images now, this is becoming black again as her African origins. And as I was saying, her qualities are kindness, nurturing, protection, safety, prosperity. However, is a goddess as a very good mother of her children and adopted children. She's a bit strict. So she can help you and you can ask her for guidance, but you have to do your actions. You have to take responsibility. And the colors we use for her to create altars for her, it has to be silver, blue, white. And this is the main colors. And there are always in the 2nd of December and in February, depending on which area in Brazil, everybody goes to the sea to give her offerings. And on these offerings can be fruits, food, flowers, perfumes, pearls, and it used to be many plastic objects in representation of her, boats, pearls, perfumes. But now, because of the problem we are having with the oceans, now all the Brazilians, they are helping not to throw so much plastic to the water and not to hurt her, because again, she is the goddess of the salted waters. So now we are going to do a little meditation, guided meditation to meet her. So we are going to close our eyes. We are going to breathe in and breathe out to release any tensions accumulated in the body, mind, and heart. and again. And we are going to see in our mind the sea, the ocean. We are going to see a beach with white sand, turquoise waters, and a very clear blue celeste sky. You can smell the sea. You can feel the warm sun in your feet. And you are going to see just straight to the horizon. And in that line that crosses the sea with the sky, you are going to see a white point. And you are going to start seeing that sea is there, and she's getting bigger, bigger, bigger in that line, remember, in the horizon, and you can see her presence there. So surrender to her nurturing presence. Feel her in your heart. Be grateful what you are, what you have to her. And ask her whatever you want. But remember, she's a street goddess. You have to take some responsibility as well. She will help you. Now open your hands, look into the horizon, and wait for a present from her. It's a bell. It's a bell full of love, unconditional love, compassion, healing, and abundance, and putting in your heart. And let your soul, your body, your mind absorb all this energy just for you. When you are ready, just in your own time, open your eyes. Feel your body again. And that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any questions, I am here to answer them with love. Bye bye. Blessings.